On 22nd June 2022, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, had visited South Garo Hills to personally assess the damages in the flood-affected areas. On his way to Siju, the Chief Minister had to travel from Karukol for 2 hours by a local boat and later proceeded towards Rongdong on foot for about 2.5 hours, which is almost close to 10 kilometers. It may be mentioned that the road from Rongdong to Siju has been completely cut off due to landslides that have caused the Simsang River to swell up to dangerous levels. Conrad Sangma informed that the state government is committed to do everything it can to bring back normalcy in the flood-affected areas in South Garo Hills district, though it will take months to ensure restoration of the area.
Forest area has been destroyed. Even the transformer has been completely covered. We are in Karukol right now, and we are trying to access some of the locations which are completely cut off because the roads are completely blocked, and the only way to access those locations is by boat, and people are going through this almost every day. So number one, we want to also go and see that, and number two, we want to assess the road damages out there physically and see the whole thing myself, so that we're able to take necessary action at the earliest. And the extent of damages is great, really high. Many roads have been washed out, many areas, the landslides are huge, and I think this is one of the most devastating kind of flood situations that we may have faced in recent past. And it will take some time to restore. The district has been out of power for almost 5 days now. We are hopeful that in a few days, maybe a day or so, we should be able to restore the power back here. And we're hopeful that even the road connectivity, at least the clearance of the roads, should be done at the earliest. So right now, as I said, we are here to take this this journey here, and it'll take us about an hour and a half, close to 2 hours to get to Siju. So that's what we're here for today.
In Siju, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya was able to witness the damages caused by recent massive landslides, wherein amenities for tourists at the Siju cave were completely damaged. After assessing the damages, the Chief Minister said that it will take about a month for the road in the area to become fully functional.
Yeah. So after 2 hours of travel, now we have reached up Siju, and it took us about 2 hours to get here. And this is the first location. As I said, this is cut off from both sides. Hence, the only way to get here is to get through boat, and that's what we are. And now we're going to walk for a few kilometers and then see some of the affected areas out here. How's that? In the Siju PHC, there were about 4 of them who were quite seriously injured, but they are recovering now. And after meeting the injured people out there, now we have come to the place where the landslide is, and beyond this again vehicles cannot go. So we'll have to now walk from here another 5 kilometers to get to the other side where the connectivity is there. So this is the next part of our journey from here.